Kindergarten science class. Today our young scientists explored surface tension with a magical milk experiment. They sprinkled baby powder, added colourful drops, and watched it in awe as liquid soap made the colours dance. This hands-on activity sparked curiosity, observation and excitement for science.
Milk. You say milk. Milk. Do you like milk? Do you drink milk? Yes or no? Do you drink milk? Yes or no? Yeah. Right, so we're going to put the milk in here. Can you help me? In here. Whoa. Right, center. Can you help me? Good boy. Oh. Darling. Can you do it? Come on then. Yes, there. This one? No? Okay, teacher Mick will do it. Okay. So that's the milk in.
SUMMER camp, SUMMER camp, SUMMER camp. Welcome to summer camp, playing in summer camp, learning at summer camp. The summertime is here. Welcome to summer camp, learning at summer camp, playing in summer camp. The summertime is here. SUMMER camp. School is out but it's not past. Learning things and having laughs. Maths and English, arts and crafts. It's SUMMER camp. The sun is out so let's all shout what Mark for Future is about. It's SUMMER camp. PE and play Thai language. Hey, it's SUMMER time. So let's have fun and end this rhyme. Welcome to summer camp, playing in summer camp, learning at summer camp. The summertime is here. Welcome to summer